The judicial managers of British American insurance company BIACO, together with the governments of the Eastern Caribbean Currency Union ECCU, have signed an agreement to sell the traditional life insurance business of BIACO to Sagicor Life, a wholly owned subsidiary of Sagicor Financial Corporation. The ECCU governments have undertaken to provide funding of up to US $38 million to assist in restoring value to the transferring policies. We have the details in this report. A statement issued by the Eastern Caribbean governments and the judicial managers said the sale was agreed after a formal sale process, which resulted in strong interest from 7 parties, with 4 final bids being considered. The business being sold is made up of group pensions and the following traditional life policies issued by BIACO in Anguilla, Antigua, Dominica, Grenada, Montserrat, St. Lucia, St. Kitts and Nevis, and St. Vincent and the Grenadines universal life policies, term life, whole life, endowment, and home service life. Approximately 17,500 policyholders are expected to benefit from the sale, restoring the policy values for nearly 2 in every 3 BIACO policyholders. Prime Minister Ralph Gonsalves speaks of the life insurance business.
The life insurance business will be transferred to Sagicor. Once all the necessary approvals for the arrangement to transfer from the relevant courts and insurance regulators in the Bahamas, where BIACO is incorporated, and throughout the currency union countries, once all of those approvals have been given, it is expected that these approvals will take maybe between 3 to 6 months.
He says Sagicor has demonstrated its commitment to the currency region.
It's committed to listing at least 25% of the shares of the ECCU entity on the Eastern Caribbean Securities Exchange within 2 years of its commencement of operations, so that ordinary citizens and financial institutions, companies and the like can go on the exchange and purchase shares.
Gonsalves says once the transfer is completed, Sagicor would contact affected policyholders to inform them of the change in ownership of this business. He says although the sale is structured specifically to transfer the ECCU traditional life policyholders to Sagicor, the sale is also beneficial to all other policyholders and creditors of BIACO who are not covered by the terms of the sale by reducing the remaining liabilities of BIACO. The judicial managers and the ECCU governments continue to work on solutions to recover assets of BIACO, as well as to pursue those responsible for the collapse. Alciana Tiller reporting for ABS News.